Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you want to be. Step four.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. Either way, I am super happy that you're here. So we are going to get a little messy today. I am going to do this beautiful white. It's actually become one of my favorite whites. It is Vivid Glamco French white, and it's really good for a white. I mean, white is white, and we all know how white is super not fun to work with, but this one is actually really good. I highly recommend it. My other favorite is definitely Nail Dips, and it's 2%, and it's a really, really good white as well. And then also Nail Dips has some really cool whites that glow. They're different colors, purple, orange, or like a peachy. I have the peachy one. I've done it in a mani, but I don't think I've done it on a video. And then they have like I said, they have a purple one. So I do plan on purchasing a big old thing of the purple because I will use purple glow white. Okay, it's a white dip with the purple glow. I will use that all the time. Anyway, so this is a great white. We're going to do one coat on camera on all 5 nails. And then I will do a second coat off camera. And then I don't think I clear cap because I'm going to go in and do stamping and then clear cap over the stamping, and I didn't want them to get too bulky. So I am going to let you guys watch. I only have a few nails left, and then we'll get into the fun, super messy nail art. I'll be back shortly.
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you want to be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot, Head full of flies, so here come the clouds, They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost, Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience.
So I have activated, and now I'm checking, boom, click, click, click. We are good to file and buff off camera. And then I already did the thumb because I just wanted to make sure everything was going to work really well the way I wanted to. So I am off camera with most of the stamping, but the stamping isn't really the purpose. I mean, you have to stamp to do this, but it's not really the purpose of the video. So I figured it was okay and I wasn't going to worry about it too much. But we are using a sticky stamping polish. This is from Triple D. I do know there is other ones, but this is the only one I've ever used, and it's the only one I have. So you want to work kind of fast and go into the chrome powder right after you stamp. Like, don't wait. You want to do it quick. So one of the biggest mistakes I made on this mani was I did not put a latex protector on my skin. So the cleanup was a hot mess. I do leave one nail in. If I would have left all 5, we would have been here for a year. It was a lot, and I won't do that again. And I don't recommend doing that at all. It was really messy, and black stamping polish is really hard to clean up, especially when it has chrome powder over it. But this is such a cool design, and you can do it with like any stamps. Like, you can do anything you wanted. I just thought this was like a really cool design. I saw it and I knew immediately what I wanted to do when I got this off of Temu. So I was pretty happy with the outcome. And these stamping or these chrome powders I got off Amazon. I believe they're Beetles, but they'll be linked. And yeah, so the biggest thing you want to do when you're doing this is after you file and you buff really good, you want a really nice smooth surface to stamp on. Do not use a sticky base coat of any kind. If you do, the chrome powder is going to stick to the whole nail and not just the stamp. So you have to have a really good stamping polish that will stick to your nails without a sticky base coat. And sometimes I use a stamping polish, a stamping polish, and it just does not work. But this Triple D one is amazing. I've never had an issue with it. It's so, so good. And the stamp stuck just fine with no sticky base coat. Okay, I am yapping a lot. Sorry about any background noise. My dog is a little bit playful at the moment, so she's making some noise here and there, but I just wanted to let you guys know if you heard anything, that's what it was. And I'm going to let you guys watch me finish this up and watch me clean up one of my nails, and let this be a lesson to you. Do not forget the liquid latex or whatever kind of protector you use. Just protect your skin, because this was messy. All right, I'll be back.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, grow hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
You can pretty much see what I did, but I just wanted to kind of go over it real quick. So as soon as I was done with the chrome powder and the stamping, I covered every nail with the Maniology smudge-free top coat, and then I did my cleanup. That way I just had a little bit of protection on while I was cleaning up, and then I didn't accidentally take off any of the stamps. I let the sticky base coat dry. Well, I set a timer for 5 minutes, but clearly, I was cleaning up, so it took a lot longer than that. But it doesn't matter. As long as you wait long enough, you can wait as long as you want. Or you could just use that as your top coat if that's what you want to do. That's perfectly fine too. And then now I am going in with my dip base and clear, and I am capping everything in clear to protect everything and make sure when I do a nice little buff, I'm not going to buff into the stamps. So I'm going to do that. And then this is just something I do with the odorless. You probably see it in most of my videos, but I kind of just pat the odorless pigment into the nail just so that I don't have any cloudiness. It works great for me. If you're using a regular dip liquid, I don't think you need to do that or have to do that, but it works perfect. I have no cloudiness, nothing like that. And then I'm activating, and I'll activate twice. Yep, twice. And no issues with that either. And then I will give the nails a buff off camera, and then we're about to get into the top coat in just a second. So activator, again, not yet. I'm getting ahead of myself. So this is what we're looking like. I'm super happy with these. Oh, I love how they turned out. And of course, they're like my 3 favorite colors, blue, pink, and purple. So now we're getting into the top coat. So activate, we're going to set a timer for 2 minutes, and then we're going to get into our first layer of dip top coat, which will be 3 quick swipes across the nail and then brush off on a paper towel before you put it back into the bottle. And then the second dip top coat, you can go slower, get every nook and cranny, cap the free edge. I try to cap it a little bit, but I don't really worry about it too much because my nails usually are only on for like a day or two. And then we will do our cuticle oil, cuticle salve. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, sorry. And then we'll be done. So we're almost finished. Stick around and you'll see the pictures at the very end. Thank you so much for being here and supporting my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would be super, super, super grateful if you did. I post videos twice a week and I would love to have you as part of my little nail journey. Have a beautiful day and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect